We all enter trades with an assumption, and it's a great feeling when that assumption is correct and we make money. You become more confident and can't wait to place the next trade. On the other hand, when your assumption is completely wrong, it can feel like the end of the world. The way we handle losing trade is, in my opinion, what separates us from 95% of the traders that don't make any money trading. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through my Tesla trade, which is not going according to plan. The position is still open with an unrealized loss of $1,300. I will show you all the adjustments I've made to this position and why I've made them. You will learn my mechanical process of how I manage these types of positions. If you like the sound of this and want to see more, please make sure you smash that subscribe button and gently tap on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my weekly videos. And make sure you watch to the very end, as I'll be sharing with you a bonus tip on how you can protect your whole portfolio when a trade goes wrong. So this Tesla trade started back in December 21st. You can see that Tesla was getting absolutely battered. Tesla was extremely oversold, and my assumption was that Tesla would take a breather and start to consolidate. I decided to sell a short strangle expiring January 20th. A short strangle is selling an out-the-money put and an out-the-money call at the same time. As you can see, this creates a range which I need Tesla to stay in to be profitable. I received $402 in premium for entering this trade. Fast forward to January 3rd, and Tesla has started to test my short strike of $103. With only 17 days left till expiration, I decided to roll my whole short strangle to February the 17th and recenter my strikes. I received a net credit of $45 for making this adjustment. If you're enjoying this video so far, I would really appreciate if you could drop a like, as it takes time to create these educational videos, and your feedback is vital to ensure I'm creating the right types of videos for you. So now let's fast forward to January the 18th, and you can see that Tesla went on a rally and tested my $135 call strike. With over a month still left till expiration, I decided to roll up the untested put side to the $100 strike. The reason we moved the untested side is to reduce our overall delta in the position, which minimizes the speed of the P&L loss if Tesla continues to rise. For this adjustment, I received another net credit of $115. Lastly, fast forward to January the 23rd, the day of Tesla earnings. I was expecting a big move in Tesla, I just didn't know in which direction. I took the opportunity to roll the strangle out before earnings into the March expiration cycle. Again, I received another net credit of $58. You can see that pre-market, after Tesla earnings, Tesla is trading at around $154 and is about to test my 155 call strike. My next adjustment is likely to be moving up the untested put strike, again to neutralize the delta and collect more premium. And the funny thing is that if I left my original strangle position alone, you can see it would have expired out the money, as Tesla would have stayed in the initial range. In either case, I will continue to manage this position, as I still feel I can close the position out with the profit. However, I do have a take profit order to scratch this trade at break even. Yes, it sucks that the trade hasn't worked out, but I'm not worried about the position at all. And why is that? Well, my bonus tip for you is a simple one but often overlooked. Trade small. For me to hold this Tesla position requires $5,000 buying power, which equates to just under 5% of my total portfolio. I've got 13 other open trades which are currently profitable, and trading small allows me to keep placing new trades. One of my favorite trades is selling short strangles during earnings. I outlined the full earnings strategy in this video right here, along with the live example with FedEx. So click on that video and I shall see you guys on the other side.